Hey guys, so today I'm coming to you guys with a DIY project I want to work on. It's with the side table I want to have for the guest bedroom, and I want to paint it white. So the one I have is this right here. It is a table I got from the Let Go app. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it, but it's of these sellers and buyers. You basically put anything you want to sell and you get to buy it. So this one was for 25 and I managed to get the seller to bring it down for 15. So I want to paint it white. I'm just not sure if I want to do just the top white, since this is my practice furniture. I do have another side table in mind, which is a little bit smaller, and that one for sure I want to paint it all white. Like I said, I still just need to get the bed frame so that can bring the bed a little bit higher, and then that way I can see if the table is gonna be just the right fit. And then the spray paint I got is this one right here, Rust-Oleum, and it has the primer in there as well, and the color is gloss white. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah, this one is good. I wish I could have harnessed my hair for a little while longer. I didn't realize how good it was. It's more thick and it's more blendable.
So once you're done with removing the painter's tape, you're basically done. If you want to decorate the table with adding a little lamp or a little flower, it'll make the bedroom look even much better. I hope this video was really helpful to you guys, and thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, just leave them down below, and thank you again for watching.